Hello, friends. Okay, rather than answering the same question 40 or 50 times, what I'm going to do is just clarify here what all the questions we're asking in this portfolio and refer you here for your questions. Here we go. So on number one, you're actually supposed to do two parts, each one of these. So the lowercase letter I, so Roman numeral 1, Roman numeral 2, Roman numeral 3. Each of those has a part A and B. If there's only two terms to start a sequence, you have no way of knowing whether it's arithmetic or whether it's geometric. It could be either. So that's what I'm asking you to do. For the first part in each one, assume it's arithmetic and tell me the next three terms and how you got them. For the second part, start with the same two numbers, but assume it's geometric. Give the next three numbers and tell me how you got them. So there'll be a list of three numbers twice. Here, the arithmetic and geometric versions. Here, the arithmetic and geometric versions, and the same here. For number two, most common thing I'm seeing is you're just not listing all the numbers. It says right here, give the values of F3 through F10. That means I need to see term 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I've got to see all those different numbers and how you got them. So if you added two numbers together, show me which two numbers you added together. So the biggest issue here is you're just not showing me enough steps. You're actually doing mostly okay here with the table. Now, nearest thousandth is 3 decimal places. So when you divide, make sure you round appropriately. And then on this one, for part C, the biggest issue is, folks, you're not giving me the number. It says here, we think there's a convergent ratio, meaning the numbers in the table are zeroing in on a particular number. I want to know what that number is. Estimate that value. That means tell me the number. After you've done that, then explain what you did. But I need to see the number in addition to your explanation. Biggest issues on this one is you're not maybe choosing to set your explicit formula up properly. So here's my advice as I wink at you when I say advice. What I need and want you to do is to use the zero-term version of a geometric sequence. Zero-term version of a geometric sequence. And for guidance on exactly how to set it up, take a look at the portion of Unit 5 that talks about percent change equations. And then lastly, this one. Determine the domain of each function. Now there's 6 boxes. That means I need 6 domains. So I need to see what ends can I use here. Give me a verbal description or an inequality or something like that. What ends can I use here? Give a description. What ends can I use here? What x's can I use here? What x's can I use here? I need 6 different domains and then 6 different descriptions of how you got those domains. It doesn't have to be paragraphs. It can be short. But I need to see 6 different things. So one little line down here where you say, it's got to be this because that doesn't cut it. 6 different boxes, 6 different domains and descriptions. For guidance here, look at the last section of that entire Unit 5.